Hello YouTube, Nicole here with Outdoor Defense. But I'm taking a little bit of a break from outdoor defense, and instead I just wanted to give you a video and talk to you about eye contact and how important eye contact is when you are solo hiking or hiking in general, and pretty much in any other aspect of the world and as we're engaging with other people. So eye contact does a couple things. First, it's a confident gesture, and that's important for personal safety. Another reason why it's important is because eye contact allows you to evaluate the people that you're passing on the trail, and it allows you to take in information about them, their demeanor, what they're wearing, their nonverbal body language, and that can help your intuition decide if you need to take further action, if something is sparking your intuition. Another thing that looking at people and making eye contact can help with is if there's a wilderness emergency, or say perhaps someone got lost and you ran into one of the people they were hiking with later on the trail, which has actually happened to me, and someone says, "Oh, have you seen a person wearing a red jacket, because they told me to go further up on the trail and wait for them, and they still haven't come." And I can say, "Oh yeah, I made eye contact with pretty much everyone I passed, and I remember the person in the red jacket that was sitting down." So it gives you power because it is allowing you to take in all aspects of your environment so that you can evaluate what you need to do to keep yourself safe, or just to help other hikers, and also to just enjoy what's going on around you. So it's okay to make eye contact, and you're just going to look at someone long enough to say, "I see you," to yourself in your head, and then just keep moving along.